the 23 states of Venezuela in one capital district that we love to show ya. The 23 states of Venezuela. We touch the Caribbean Sea in South America.
My name is Amazonas and I'm a landlocked, you see. Anzoátegui is my name on the Caribbean Sea. I'm Apure, I'm located in the west. Aragua is my name, I'm in the north central at best. Barinas state, and I am long and lean. Bolívar is a state, it is huge if you see what I mean. Caracas, it is smaller, but it is still rad. Portuguesa is next door, and for that I am glad. Delta Amacuro touches the Atlantic Ocean. You know that Falcon State will keep this song in motion. Guarico is large and in the north central. Lara State is in the northwest, you should know.
We're the 23 states of Venezuela in one capital district that we love to show ya. The 23 states of Venezuela. We touch the Caribbean Sea in South America.
Merida is here and now I'll disappear. Miranda is beautiful, come visit, have no fear. Monagas touches the Gulf of Paria. I am the island of Nueva Esparta. Portuguesa is a state in the northwest. Sucre's long coastline beaches are the best. Trujillo touches the border of Colombia. Trujillo is a great state, we hope to see ya. Portuguesa is really thing touching the Caribbean Sea. My name is Aragua, yeah, that is me. Zulia is the name of the state that you see now, and I am the last state to learn, so take a bow. And I am Venezuela in South America's north. Caracas is my capital, I wish peace on earth.
We're the 23 states of Venezuela in one capital district that we love to show ya. The 23 states of Venezuela. We touch the Caribbean Sea in South America.